Hey buddy, how you doing? You taking down a pigeon? It's alright, I ain't gonna attack you. Keep eating. That thing's eating a fucking pigeon. It's alright, I ain't gonna bug you. Keep going. I'm just observing. This falcon right here has its kill and its talents. It's got a fucking pigeon in its claws. Thing was tearing it apart over there in that grass until I got too close for comfort and he flew away. Now he's up there on the roof with his little pigeon. Let's go see what he left behind over here. He was landed over here with that pigeon in his mouth, tearing the little thing to shreds, munching down like it was no one's business. The motherfucker was going to work. Check that out.